Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Goals. So today in this video we'll be talking about how to make money as a transcriber. So as usual I'll be showing you a website where you can make money as a transcriber, and also I'll be showing you all the pros and cons of it, how much you can expect earning money per hour in that website, and everything about it. So in general, what is transcribing? Transcribing is nothing but hearing the audio files that the client sends you and converting it into text. So in this website that I'm going to show you, you'll be earning hourly. It will be hour basis every audio hour. So this is the website, guys, transcribeme.com. Here you can make money as a transcriber. You don't need a qualification or any experience before, like it isn't mandatory as in so you can start applying even if you are a newbie here. This website not only offers transcribing works but also translation and also data annotation. I have also shown a website where you can make money for just data annotation works, remotask.com. I have made a video completely on that website and how to make money, and I have also shown you. So if you are interested in data annotation works, you can check out my video on remotask.com. I will leave the link down below in description box. So about this transcribe me, as I have said earlier, transcribing job in general is just converting audio files into text. So it won't be that easy as it sounds like, because say for example my accent, my pronunciation, my speed rate, that is like how fast I'm speaking, so it all matters, right? Because everyone can't speak in the same speed rate, right? And also the same accent, and sometimes you even get a bad or a poor quality audios, so it will be hard for you to hear. You should be very good at hearing, because you should be able to eliminate all those background noises or the low poor quality of the audios and everything. You have to manage, and you should be able to transcribe like what the person is actually speaking. So these transcribing works will be mostly for medical or for legal cases. So we'll see about this website in detail, but before that, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now again back with this video. This transcribe me will be giving you an hourly rate of, like, base rate as $15 per audio hour. So per audio hour means you have to do transcription for 1 hour of audio. That is how the rate is calculated. If you are efficient enough and if you are fast enough to do the transcribing work, you will earn more. That is the whole idea. So as you can see, it actually gives you around $15 to $22 per audio hour. And if you are qualified enough and if you are a good transcriptionist, you will be rating more higher, and you will be led into the personalized team. And you can even earn $100 per audio hour for special cases. So it actually differs. So by monthly, as an average or a newbie, you will be earning around $2000. So I think that is quite good, because in market you will be getting around $4, but here they are providing you with $15 per audio hour, and I think that is great. And now about the payment gateway, they pay you through PayPal every week, and $20 will be the payment threshold, after which it will be initiated to your PayPal account. Before even getting into this job dashboard, you will be initiated to write an entrance exam, which is of first one will be English exam, that is basic grammar only. Don't worry about this page, because I have already created an account and I am making money out of it. I don't know why the registration is not yet available in India now, but it is actually available. So as an Indian, you can earn money. There is no such great job requirements, but you have to pass the entrance exam. The first one will, the English exam will have a four-part exam. It's a four-part exam where the first one and the second one will consist of MCQs, multiple choice questions, and also some questions which will ask you to write a simple answer correcting the grammar. And the third and the fourth part will have audios of each, which you have to transcribe it. Now after getting selected, you will be getting onto the dashboard. Onboard process will be going on. Once you're in the dashboard, you will be able to see all the transcription jobs available. It so that is not assured for you, so I have to make that one clear, because the jobs will be based on first come first serve basis. If you are looking that job for the first, like if no one else have actually proceeded with the job, you will be getting it. If someone has else taken it and doing, you won't be able to do. And this website is especially a crowdsourcing website, which means if a client gives 1 hour of audio, it will be split up into 2 minutes of audio file, and it will be given to each one of you. So you might be working in the second part of the audio file, and someone will be working on the first part, and someone else will be working on the third one. So something like that, this Transcribe Me website will be working. And about this exams, don't worry about it. It's actually easy and simple. You can easily clear it out if you have good grammar, and also if you are fluent in English. There is no such great requirements that will actually stop you from working here. As a student also, you can make money from this website. And also, most importantly, I have to tell you about the requirements. You just need a computer or a laptop with good internet connection, and also headphones is actually required, because you won't be able to hear the minute details that are going in through the audio files. Some files might have husky tone voices that are speaking, so you should be able to hear everything excluding the background noise. So hence it's better to have good headphones, which will help you in later. And there is no such software installations and all. You can right away start working if you have cleared the exam. So I will leave the link down below in the description. So if you are interested, you can try it out. If you have any other doubts, you can post it in the comments below. I answer it as soon as possible. And also I have made videos on Rev. You can check it out. And if you have questions or queries, you can free to post it in the comments. I will be answering to it. And that's all about the video, guys. If you enjoy it, give it a like, and also make sure you subscribe to it and share it to your friends. Meet you all in the next video, guys. Until then, bye and thank you.